How to fix app crash after Android update. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix app crash after an Android update. So in order to fix it, you could follow the simple steps. Now first thing first, a simple restart can often resolve temporary issue by clearing your cache and refreshing the memory as well. So to restart, you just need to hold on to your side button and then restart it, and that might be able to help. If the issue still persists on, and you could do is just locate the specific app that is crashed, and then you could just long press and go to the app info section. And there, what next you want to do is on this page, you want to click on force stop, and that might be able to help. And unless that is not working out, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So do the same thing, that is long press onto the app info section and then follow the prompt. That might be able to help. If nothing works out, then what you could also do is reinstall the app, and that might be able to help. And despite all the procedure, once again, you could try restarting. That might also sometimes solve your issue. So these are a couple of things in order to fix the app crash after Android update. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.